In today's world, the way that people earn money is ever-changing. For decades, many in-office jobs revolved around sitting and doing tasks on a computer all day. Why not get paid to do an online job from anywhere your heart desires? More and more companies offer remote work to employees or contractors who will never step foot in an office. Online jobs are not only common, but they are also in demand. This video will break down different online jobs by type, explain the required experience, and help you determine which one is right for you. But before that, if you have not liked the video yet, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Transcribing. Transcribing audio or video files is a work-from-home job that still must be performed by humans since robots are unreliable. Companies often outsource transcription jobs because they require a lot of attention to detail and can be difficult. The likelihood of earning a decent hourly wage by transcribing depends on how quickly you can type and who your client is. Your earning potential will increase over time, but it's still not a very lucrative remote job. There are a few sites anybody can join. Transcribe Anywhere. With Transcribe Anywhere, you can not only find work as a transcriptionist, but can also learn how to do it. Scribie is another reputable site where you have to pass an online test. Scribie recruiters claim you can earn between $5 and $25 an hour. However, the reality may be as low as $3 an hour if you're not a fast enough typer. Transcribe Me. Transcribe Me claims to have the industry's best rates, between $15 and $22 an hour depending on the job listings. However, your wage is likely to be much lower unless you're super fast at typing. Rev offers 36 cents to 65 cents per audio minute for transcriptions. If you know a foreign language, you can earn even more, between $1.50 and $3 per minute. The average transcriber on Rev makes between $8 and $15 an hour. Only 10% of applicants get accepted to Rev. To get in, you'll be tested on your typing skills and grammar, and then you'll have to pass a transcription test. Go Transcript pays up to 60 cents per minute. Again, you must pass an assessment to get a job. SpeechPad offers 25 cents to $2.50 per minute, which works out to at least $15 an hour. However, they demand high quality and experienced transcribers. You're unlikely to get accepted unless you start on another platform first. A transcription job works best as a side hustle rather than a full-time job, but it's possible to turn transcribing into a career if you're prepared to build experience and specialize within a high-paying industry. Scoping. Editing transcripts for court reporters is called scoping. Instead of transcribing audio, scoping involves turning shorthand from court reports into legible writing. You can expect to earn between $20 and $30 an hour. Medical transcribing is another option, although this requires a certificate approved by the Association for Healthcare Documentation Integrity to work in the USA. The earning potential is similar to scoping. Friends, today we told you that you can earn a lot of money sitting at home, even by doing a simple job like transcribing without much hard work. So friends, we will meet you again in the next video. If you like the video, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel.